9 more days until the Yukon River Quest 2026. We camped right here. This is what the tent looks like, the Gazelle Overland Edition T4. That's in the bag. It's a big bag. This is longer than my bed of my truck, so we can't put it in straight. We have to put it in at an angle. And all that's going in the back of the truck. So we're going to show you some organization. This Typhoon bag goes on the front. This is Cecilia, so it goes above her head. And then Brooks goes in the back of the truck. Hers is already up there. And we need to get that wall kit out, Brooke.
My hands are cold now.
And then that's my bag goes above my head. So this is one of the wall kits right here. This is for the 270 degree awning. And that's for the 180. Thank you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slide the tent in that way and then put the mattresses in and then the sleeping bags and just start backtracking everything out. But we figured out a way to make all that fit in that little bitty space right there. Got the sun coming up. All right. So it all goes in. So we get a view of the mountain again. Now that the clouds are kind of going. Try and zoom in there a little bit. That's the snow-capped peak. There we go. We're on, let me see if I can get it right this time. Lac des Arcs, which is Lake of the Arches. That's close. And then Brooke's got dandelions.
They're everywhere.
Yeah.
They are everywhere.
How'd you sleep last night?
I dreamed.
You dreamed? Must have been good.
Also, I
All
never
right.
still have my hair on one. It's fine.
Yeah, there you go. All right. Yukon River Quest loading up. We're just outside of Banff.